Alright, yeah, so this package is from who knows what, but let's see. So yay. Ooh, 3 packages. Wow. Okay, I don't know what this is, but let's see. Let's open this up. What is this? Oh, it's my Lacomchir lip gloss giveaway. I want to give away from them, and these are lip colors, it says. So I tried their brand before. I have their foundation, like few like cheek and blush liquid products, and eyeshadow palettes. They're not in their PR list anymore. They don't send me free stuff, but I did enter this giveaway, and surprisingly I won. So, and other few winners. So yay, this is a very pretty lip color. It's perfect for nude every day. So I love their packaging. It's very frosted. Wow, the packaging, like so pretty. Wow, the quality kind of feels cheap, but still sturdy and pretty nice. So this is in the 05 lip color shade, and this their logo. It looks pretty cool. Wow. Okay, so let's see. Kind of smells like baby wipes, like cleaning products a little. So I love the wand, the color. Let me swatch. Ooh, wow, I love the shade. It looks so pretty. It's like an orangey warm tone color. The formula is very soft and pigmented. Like, wow, you saw that? So nice, so nice. So their makeup products are nice. They're great. I like their brand. They just don't have a lot of shade range when it comes to their face products. So if you're a tan or deeper skin tone, you might not like this brand when it comes to foundations. But other than that, the other products are great. I've never tried their lip products before, so I'm excited to try these out. They look pretty promising. So this is another lip color, but I don't know which shade is this. Let me see. So exciting. Ooh, it's a pretty purple shade. It's so perfect for summer. I love it. I don't really use these colors, so this one caught my eye. It's so pretty. Wow. Let me swatch. You see, it's the same one. It's so pigmented. Wow, so cute. So, wow, it's a very pretty color. And it has that alcohol baby wipe scent. I've never smelled a lip product this smells like this. It usually smells sweet or has no scent at all. I don't know why it smells like that. It's throwing me off. If you're sensitive with scents, I don't think you're gonna like it, but I'm pretty sure when you have it on, it's not really gonna smell anymore or taste. I hope not. But wow, I'm obsessed with this shade. This one is very pretty too, don't get me wrong, but this one I love it. It's like a purpley pinky colors. I think you can pull it off. It's still wearable. It's not super intense, you know. So yay. These shades match with my outfit today, right? I'm so excited. Okay, so the last lippy they sent me is, let's see, it's the a red. You can go wrong with red. So yay, I love it. It's so rich, so pigmented. Look, Wow, I'm obsessed. So oops, I forgot, this is in the shade 606. This is in the shade 02. Okay, so let's see the watch again with the scent. Anyways, the wand is the same. Okay, let's see. Yay. Okay, this, oh my gosh, this shade though, it's so pretty. Wow, I love all of these shades. I can't, like, I think the red, the pink is my favorite, purple, and then this one last. But all of them I love. They're very pretty, so pigmented, and wow, right? Wow, I just love all of these. I don't know what other shades they have. I think they have more, but they just sent me 3, which is so amazing. Yay. I haven't really been applying to a lot of giveaways, but this is how I won these nail polish from another giveaway. But yay, I should do an unboxing of them right now. Yay, thank you so much, Lacomchir. I know I'm gonna love them. They're amazing. This is an Instagram brand. It's not a super big brand. I don't think you can find them at Ulta and Sephora, but their price range is pretty in between the middle average. Not super expensive or super cheap, affordable, but yeah, it's pretty nice brand overall. So yay, bye, thanks for watching. I mainly just wanted to unbox and swatch, so I might do looks using these, or on my Instagram I might do swatches, and I'll insert a clip of me doing it here maybe. So yay, that's pretty much it. So bye, yay. Thanks for watching.